Everyone, Jake's Aviation here. Today, back with some other model unboxings. Today we have the two beautiful aircraft in front of us, the Hawaiian A321 by Gemini Jets and the FrenchBlue A350-900 by Phoenix Models. Got these two models from a girlfriend for my birthday, and I'm really excited to do an unboxing of them for you guys. I basically just told her to surprise me, and she did, so pretty cool. I know I already have one of these, and I got it and it came broken actually. I already just double checked this one. This one's not broken, so I'm actually really happy to have another one that's not broken. Therefore, I can use it in the airport, and you know, two is always better than one anyway, so I'm really happy to have another Hawaiian A321 because they are beautiful aircraft. And then I got this beautiful A350-900 in the FrenchBlue livery, and it is stunning. Now, I know this is not a model or an airline or aircraft that necessarily flies to LA, but I don't care. It's such a beautiful model. I'm really happy to have it in my collection. This is like something that would fly to San Francisco, but you know what? Maybe one day it will fly to LA. I honestly hope it does. It's such a beautiful plane. But yeah, so I'm gonna start with this actually, and let's get on with it. Super excited. It's such a beautiful aircraft. Like, just look at that, guys. It is, the livery is just incredible. So happy. And I'm not complaining because the A350 is a beautiful aircraft in itself. And one more to my collection is not gonna hurt. So there we have it. Let's move this out of the way. So here we go, guys. Alright. Absolutely stunning model. It's, oh, I love it so much. Alright, so zooming in here, let's get the detail. Alright, so there we have the detail in the cockpit and the nose area. Some really good detail in the little flag, the French flag, which is really cool, actually. And then you have the nose gear, which is pretty damn detailed if you ask me. I really like the detail level on that. And you have part of the registration on it, EU, so Echo Uniform there. Moving along, you have the French B little logo. I guess it's like a little flower. And then the FrenchBlue titles. And then you have the top there. Beautiful engines. Moving along, some really nice detail. And then you have the, it's such a blue. It's kind of cool because the inside has the little logo as well, which is really nice. Just moving along. 1 second. Just moving along, you have the antennas and everything. Really nice livery. I love this blue, the shades of it. You have the registration, which is Foxtrot. Oh, Hotel. Oh, come on, focus. There we go. Oh, there we go. Foxtrot Hotel Romeo Echo Uniform. FHREU. And then you have the tail with this beautiful logo on it. I absolutely love the colors. It's a stunning model. Let's check out the other side for you guys. Got a nose view though. Beautiful model. Really excited about it. There you have it. Then you have the front cargo door. On this side, I'm moving along. The rear cargo door and the baggage door is just under that aft entry door. But yeah, guys, so that's this model. Oh, and let's show you the underneath before I switch to the Hawaiian. Absolutely beautiful. Look at this, guys. The FrenchBlue titles underneath, which is really, really nice. The landing gear all roll, obviously it's Phoenix Models. The engine's got some good detail on it and everything. I've got nothing to complain about. And then you also have the little antennas on the bottom, which are really nice as well. So really, really nice model. I love this underneath, honestly. FrenchBlue. It's really cool. So yeah, guys, that's that model. I'll put that off to the side, and let's go ahead and get the Hawaiian out, which You will probably see in another video the broken one. Yeah, so this is Gemini Jets. Registration N204HA and whatnot. So as I said, the difference is this one's not a broken model, which is really nice. The other one I have, the landing gear, front landing gear is broken, unfortunately. Here we have it. Beautiful aircraft. Alright. There we go. Alright, so some really good detail at the front nose, the cockpit windows, little flag there with some Hawaiian, and then the doors and little Hawaii. Can't tell if that's the logo or not, but some little decal right next to the door there, and it's really nice. Nose landing gear and everything's pretty good. Hawaiian titles. Obviously the antenna, the forward antenna. Just moving along, you have the nice doors, beacon light, some other little antenna markings, and then this beautiful silver. I believe, I can't remember what it is, but it's part of the new livery and it's absolutely stunning. I love it. You have the engines, nice Neo engines, and the wings. Obviously, there's no real markings on them or anything, but yeah. And then moving along, you have the registration and the American flag at the back, the other antennas, and then the beautiful tail, the Hawaiian tail. It's absolutely gorgeous. Nose view, the engines are fantastic. And then yeah, so cargo doors on this side, forward and rear, you know, little baggage compartments are back there as well. So I'd say Gemini Jets did really good on this model. I mean, it's not, unfortunately the other one I had is broken. This one's not though, which is really nice. Their A321Neo model is pretty good. It would be, I'm not gonna lie, it would be awesome if NG made one of these, or at least one of these in the future. I would probably even pick up a third one just because they're that awesome and they're that beautiful of models. And the Hawaiian livery is stunning, especially in the 21. I love it so much. But anyways, that's gonna do it for this video. Hope you all enjoyed the unboxing review of these two beautiful models. There we have it. Check that, guys. Stunning. As I say, I really do hope that the FrenchBlue does come to LA at some point in the future. It would be awesome to have it there. But if not, well, hey, I got another beautiful model to my collection, and I am not going to complain about it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. For now, see you guys.